The Supreme Court has begun hearing a bunch of petitions challenging the 2019 decision of the central government to scrap Article 370 of the Constitution, which guaranteed a special status to the former state of Jammu and Kashmir in the Indian Union. And now Jammu and Kashmir is no longer a state and has been divided to two union territories. Could this have been done? What is the impact of all this on the state's special status? The Supreme Court is going to examine all this. The genesis of the problem can be traced back to 1947 when Muslim-dominated Kashmir could not make up its mind to join either India or Pakistan. The Hindu ruler was forced to accede to the Indian Union after Pak-backed invaders attacked the state. Article 370 was included in the constitution soon after to recognize Kashmir's special status in the Indian Union. As per 370, Kashmir could have its own constitution, its own flag, it even have its own penal code and retain its own identity. The central government only dealt with issues like currency, communication and defense. All other subjects remained with the state, and the central government could only step in with either the consultation or concurrence of the state government. Otherwise, it was hands off. The state government was also given the power to make special laws for its own residents, and that was done and recognized in Article 35A. This disallowed outsiders, non-Kashmiris, from buying land in Kashmir. Women who married outsiders could not give their share of the property to their children. With 370 done away with, Article 35A is also no longer in existence. Now, those who support the government move say this is a very good move. It will integrate the state wholly into the Indian Union. It will deter Pak-backed militancy. It will allow non-Kashmiris to buy land in Kashmir and help in its development. Those opposed to it say that it was a solemn constitutional guarantee to the people of Kashmir that they will always enjoy a special status within the Indian Union. The Constituent Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir declared that Kashmir was an integral part of the Indian Union only on the basis of this assurance. That Constituent Assembly of the state has since ceased to exist, and the Indian Parliament could not have stepped into its shoes to declare 370 as illegal. They say that the state has also been deprived of its representative democracy and has been put under executive control, all against the wishes of the state. The Supreme Court will examine all the complex legal issues involved in the case. The Supreme Court will have to take into account the instrument of accession, international relations, the international border, the implications for security. Apart from the question of whether the process followed was correct or wrong, whether it was illegal or legal, after saying all that, one can still say with a great degree of certainty that pragmatic considerations may force the Supreme Court not to roll back the development. Pragmatic considerations like security of the country, the international border, even though there are very meaty, complex issues, and prima facie it seems as if the process is thoroughly irregular and illegal. Thanks for watching. Thank you.